Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial how to make coffee in the Moccamaster. Alright, today I'm making 3 cups, which actually means 1.5 cups, maybe, if you're lucky. First, start by filling up the glass beaker with some crisp water. Fill it up, pass the 2 mark. Here it looks like it's half when I'm looking from this angle. See, if I check, I can see it's not actually half, so I'm gonna fill it up a little more. That's better. And actually I like a bit over the half past whatever line, because, you know, more coffee, or not more coffee, but more liquid. And I like the liquid part of the coffee. Actually, I'm not big in coffee. I only drink coffee on the weekend. Today's a Friday. It's 5 minutes to 3. Alright, here we got some coffee. Today I'm using the classic Zoégas Skånerost. And I've got this coffee measure. It's good. I got it with the Moccamaster, so it's authentic, certified. Pretty good actually. Alright, let's see. And this is the important part. You take as many measures as you put on the cup scale. So I'm taking 3 measures because I put in up to number 3 on the scale, or there is no number 3, but you know what I'm saying. The 2 and 3, the last one, boom. Cool, man. Alright, that's it. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention you have to put in a filter, otherwise it will be sad coffee. Sad coffee, and you also have to put in coffee, of course. Alright, check it out. This one is for later. Now I'm switching it on, and this will turn the process. Yeah, I'm a bit tired, been CADing all morning, rendering shit, listening to presentations. Alright, let's start this up, and this will trigger both the boiling of the water and the heating plate. The heating plate is the important part actually, because you like your coffee hot. Yeah. Alright, check it out. And now listen for the sound, that's the best part. Okay, so now I'm back. Let's check it out. Alright, looks like most of the water has passed. So at this point I'll try to rattle out the last drops of coffee into the pot. And then I'll take the whole thing. Put it down. Take out the top part. Yeah. And then I'm putting this one on to contain the heat inside, because it's heating up from this plate actually, and I don't want the heat to escape because I like my coffee boiling hot actually. And then I take, because this is nasty, and I'll put it in the bin actually. Yeah, just gonna do that really quick. Okay. Putting it in the bin and give this one a quick rinse. Lukewarm water, hot water, doesn't really matter. Just a quick rinse. Yeah. Then I'll leave it to dry over here. Boom. Rinsing the top part, the lid as well. Yeah, rinsing it. Cool, man. Let's see. Alright, let's see. Yeah, heat some milk. Like I said, like the coffee kind of hot, so I need to heat some milk. Today I'm going for a small cup. Small mug. Actually it's the Moomin mug, the forefather. Very good mug. The best one actually. It's pretty good. Pour in some milk. Doesn't really matter how much, just a little bit. Boom. Put it in the microwave oven, yeah. Heat it until it feels right. You know, I don't have no, it isn't very digital, my micro oven, so I'll just put it on like a minute or so and then check after some time, see if it's done. Oh shit, forgot to shake it. It's kind of hot right now. That's good though. Cleaning it, closing the door. Alright. I'm ready to serve the coffee. Oh yeah, perfect color. A little bit of skin or whatever on the milk. Heat it too long. That's alright. You can actually remove the milk with your fingertips if you want to. The skin. No worries. Rest easy, dog. Alright, today's snack. Let's see. It's from my Easter egg actually. The last good thing maybe. Check it out. Anton Berg. Marksman bar. Pretty cool. Got some milk sippers as well. Pretty good. Alright, that's it for today folks. I'm about to enjoy.